Welcome to Printer Repair with MRP. In this video, we will be replacing the toggle bar for a ZT231 printer. First, remove the 3 screws securing the electronics cover. Open the media cover and remove these 7 screws, including the screw securing the electronics cover to the media side of the printer. Close the media cover and lift the electronics cover off of the printer. Now remove the media door. Remove the lift strap mounting screw and washer. Proceed to the electronic side of the printer. Remove the 2 toggle bar shaft mounting screws. Turn the toggle bar until the head open clears the head open sensor and slide it out of the printer. Remove the 2 toggle bar mounting bracket screws. Remove the toggle bar mounting bracket. Now it's time to install the new toggle bar. From the electronic side, insert the new toggle bar mounting bracket and secure the 2 toggle bar bracket mounting screws. At approximately 45 degrees, slide the new toggle bar shaft into the mounting bracket as far as it will go. Install the lift strap mounting screw and washer into the print mechanism. From the electronic side of the printer, install the 2 toggle bar shaft mounting screws. Test to make sure the toggle bar moves properly. Secure the media cover back into place. Make sure to only screw in these 6 screws for the media cover. Close the media cover and slide the electronics cover into the printer. Open the media cover and reinstall the media slide mounting screw. Reinstall the 3 electronic slide mounting screws and your repair is complete. Thank you for watching, and head over to our website to check out our products and services.